Doing a walk around on this 2021 Grand Design Transcend bumper pole. It is the Xplor model 200MK, standing for middle kitchen. Okay, over here you've got two batteries, two propane tanks. You have an electric front jack with a light, electric awning, LED outside exterior lights, new tires, speakers on the outside, 6-gallon hot water heater, factory solar, rear ladder to access the roof, 30-amp plug-in system, stabilizer jacks on the back, manual. Underneath here you'll see the inverter for the solar system, the Furrion, not inverter, I'm sorry, the solar charge controller. And then this is your water fill. You got an outlet in here. You got a nice big pass-through storage. You can get through it on both sides. You lift these up. These doors, they're magnetic. All right, walking inside. All LED lighting. You got a queen-size master bed. Brand new mattress. Windows on both sides of the master bed, along with closets and nightstands. For a 26-foot trailer, because of the layout and the one slide, it honestly feels larger than it looks. This is a recliner only, not a bed. This trailer is designed for a couple. You could fit little kids in here and sleep more, but it is designed for two people. Brand new TV, smart TV, 32-inch. It's on a swivel arm, it comes out. Farm style sink, large stainless steel. Furrion gas stove and gas cooktop. Got your refrigerator, gas electric, 12-volt, 3-way. And you've got your bathroom. It's actually a pretty large bathroom for a 26-foot bumper pull trailer. Can actually fit two people in here. I'm 6 foot and I actually fit really well in here. And with the skylight you have even more room. Microwave, air conditioning, speakers inside. It's a nice trailer. I don't know if you know Grand Design, but Grand Design is a top tier manufacturing company. They make very, very high quality RVs, trailers, and campers. This one, hook up and go. Take it to your favorite spot. It's ready to go. Doesn't need anything. Thanks for watching.